We're gonna make refrigerator pickles. You're gonna need some cucumbers, some dill, some salt, some vinegar, some garlic. You're gonna need 3½ cups of water, 1 1/4 cup of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of white sugar, 1 tablespoon of salt, 4 cups of cucumbers, 2 1/4 teaspoons of garlic, and then you're going to need 2 heads of dill, and you're going to boil that. Okay, let's get our cucumbers started. I'll be back with you when we get time. We're going to cut the cucumbers up. Okay, we got our cucumbers cut in half. Then we're going to cut them long ways. Now we got to boil our brine, let it cool off, and then we're going to put them in here. Now these are going to go in the refrigerator. And these are going to be dill pickles. Refrigerator dill pickles. You don't want nothing on the skin other than pickle. Because like this, see a brown spot, you can't have that. Cut the bottom and the top off. You gotta wash them. We cut ours in half, then cut them in 4s. And cut them again. You'll at least need about, I say, between 6 and 10 pickles for a gallon. Okay, let's start. Let's see what we got. Okay, turn your jar like this. Start lining them up. This is good to do with cucumbers if you ain't got nothing else to do with them. You can fry them. You can freeze them. Now, if you freeze them, they ain't going to be as crisp as if you're doing it right now. But you can freeze them. To put in like salads or something, yeah, like that. Or you can fry them. I made salt and vinegar ones the other day for the refrigerator. Pickles. Your brine will not be hot when it goes in these pickles. Okay, now we got it about the way we want it. Now we're going to start stuffing them in there much as we can. Try to fill all the holes. Now I'm going to start my brine here in a minute. Okay, I'm going to cut up a few more pickles and put them in there. And I'll be back with you after I get the brine cold. Okay, we got exactly 2 cups of white vinegar. Now we need 2 of these, 1/4.